Your head is pounding. Your mouth is dry. Your stomach's doing cartwheels, and you swear you'll never drink again. Sound familiar? That, my friend, is the not-so-glamorous aftermath of a great night out. Hangovers can hit hard, and while there's no magic cure, what you eat the next morning can either make things way worse or help you bounce back faster than you think. In this video, we're diving into the 5 best foods to eat when you're hungover. These aren't just random snack suggestions. Each one is backed by science, proven to replenish what your body's lost, ease nausea, rehydrate your system, and get your brain back online. Some of these might actually surprise you. So if you want to feel human again after a wild night, keep watching. Let's be real. Hangovers are your body's way of telling you that it's been pushed too far. Alcohol dehydrates you, strips your body of essential nutrients, messes with your blood sugar, irritates your stomach lining, and throws off your sleep. No wonder you wake up feeling like you've been hit by a truck. But here's the good news. Certain foods contain the exact nutrients and compounds your body is begging for. So instead of reaching for greasy fast food or popping painkillers on an empty stomach, let's explore 5 powerful foods that can help you recover faster and smarter. First up is a classic that your grandma might have told you about: bananas. When you drink, your body loses potassium. That's one of the reasons you feel weak, shaky, or crampy the next day. Alcohol is a diuretic, meaning it makes you pee more, and every trip to the bathroom takes vital electrolytes with it. Bananas are rich in potassium, plus they're easy to digest, even if your stomach's feeling queasy. One medium banana gives you over 400 milliliters of potassium, helping to restore balance in your system. And because it's naturally sweet, it can also give you a gentle blood sugar boost, which is often low after drinking. Try slicing one into a bowl of oatmeal, blending it into a smoothie with almond milk, or just eating it plain. It's simple, fast, and your stomach will thank you. Now let's talk about something that might sound odd at first: eggs. You might be thinking, eggs? With this stomach? But trust me, there's real science behind this one. Eggs are packed with amino acids like cysteine and taurine. Cysteine helps break down acetaldehyde. That's the toxic byproduct of alcohol that contributes to headaches and nausea. Taurine supports liver function and helps reduce inflammation. Scramble a couple eggs, cook them with olive oil instead of butter, and toss in some spinach for an added nutrient boost. It's one of the best post-drinking breakfasts you can have. Plus, the protein helps stabilize your blood sugar and keeps you feeling fuller longer. No more dizzy hunger spikes. Speaking of hydration, this next one is your body's best friend after a night of drinking: coconut water. You've probably heard that dehydration is a major part of a hangover, and it's true. But drinking plain water might not be enough. What your body really needs is electrolyte balance. That's where coconut water shines. It's loaded with potassium, magnesium, and natural sugars that help your cells absorb water more effectively. A study in the Journal of Physiological Anthropology showed that coconut water is just as effective, if not better, than commercial sports drinks for rehydration. And with no artificial colors or added sugars, it's a cleaner choice. Keep a bottle in your fridge for mornings like this. Sip it slowly. Within minutes, you'll start to feel more awake and less like a dried-out sponge. All right, let's move on to a food that hits all the right spots: toast with honey. Sounds basic, right? But there's a reason this combo has stood the test of time. The toast provides easy-to-digest carbs, which help raise your blood sugar levels gently. When alcohol throws off your glucose balance, your brain suffers. Think brain fog, irritability, and fatigue. Carbs are key to restoring clarity and energy. Now let's talk about the honey. Honey contains fructose, which actually helps speed up the metabolism of alcohol. It's not going to erase your hangover instantly, but it can help your liver process the leftover toxins a bit faster. Plus, it gives you a natural energy boost without the crash you'd get from something sugary like soda. Go for whole grain or sourdough bread if you can. Toast it, drizzle with raw honey, and maybe add a sprinkle of sea salt if you're craving something savory. It's the ultimate hangover snack: simple, satisfying, and effective. And finally, let's get to the most surprising item on this list: miso soup. You probably think of miso soup as something you get before sushi, but it's actually an ancient remedy for rehydration and gut recovery. Miso is a fermented soybean paste that's rich in probiotics, minerals, and electrolytes. It helps replenish sodium, which you lose after heavy drinking, and supports your gut microbiome, both essential for recovery. Plus, because it's warm and salty, miso soup is incredibly soothing when your stomach's in knots. It's gentle, hydrating, and packed with umami flavor. One study from Japan even found that the fermented compounds in miso may help reduce inflammation in the body, which could ease that pounding headache and body aches you woke up with. You can buy instant miso packets or make your own with hot water, a spoonful of miso paste, and maybe some green onions or tofu if you're feeling fancy. It takes less than 5 minutes and does wonders for how you feel. Now let's pause and take a breath. We just covered a lot. When it comes to hangover recovery, food can be a powerful tool. But the key is knowing what your body actually needs. It's not greasy burgers or sugary energy drinks. It's potassium, hydration, amino acids, gentle carbs, and gut-supporting nutrients. So here's your hangover food toolkit. Bananas for potassium and energy, eggs for liver support, coconut water for dehydration, toast with honey for stable blood sugar, and miso soup for minerals and gut healing. And remember, it's not just about the food. Try to drink a glass of water before bed next time you go out. Get some sleep, move your body a little the next day, and be kind to yourself. Your body's working overtime to recover. Give it the tools it needs to heal, and you'll bounce back faster. Maybe even feeling better than before. If this video helped you out or taught you something new, hit that like button. It means a lot. And if you've got your own favorite hangover food or recovery hack, drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what works for you. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next video, where we'll be diving into foods that boost your energy and focus without caffeine. Until then, stay safe, stay hydrated, and I'll see you in the next one.